Hello friends, followers, customers, I welcome you today to another video at HPerformance GmbH in our dyno room. We have here a TTRS MK1 and today we wanted to show you our TC870XT 600 horsepower kit for this platform. We have the TC870XT already in various platforms in the DASA and the DNWA, and now finally also as a fully plug and play kit for the old steel block generation. This is steel block generation 1 and we have the 870XT as heart of this kit. Also we have water and oil lines, we have a downpipe, we also have a catback systems as the stock catbacks don't flow very good on this first generation. We have, just come here and see, our hybrid turbo inlet pipe, which is a special pipe. We have released this recently, 90mm diameter going to 90mm intake system, which you already know. In this car we also have our front mount intercooler, and as a little optional advice or a little optional gadget, we have the billet intake manifold in this car. So the focus is you have an TTRS MK1 or an RS3 8P and you get from us a complete kit based on the TC870XT to be installed plug and play in this car, and it has everything you need to install it in the car. You just need to make the software for the car, and then you can drive various power levels and you can upgrade this kit up to 700 horsepower, but this is the 600 horsepower conversion which we are going to measure now on the dyno. So let's see how the kit performs, and later we can also see how does the car perform on the street and what does it make power wise, 100 to 200 kilometers per hour. So let's start with the measuring. So okay. First of all, we need to make the car a little bit warm. Sports mode on and activate extraction and also the fresh air ventilation. So again, these kits are very interesting if you drive a steel block generation car, either TTRS, RS3 MK1 or the RS3 CEPA. As you can start with the 600 horsepower kit and you can build this up step by step up to a 700 horsepower kit, and even the steel blocks, they can handle the 700 horsepower if you install all the parts like we have this in our tailored kits. We just need to make the car warm a little bit. We can get ready for the measuring. Interesting with these kits is that you have seen in the engine bay it looks quite like a stock car or like a stage 2 car, and you have the genes in the car to drive up to 700 horsepower. I personally like this when they have a quite stock appearance and have a lot of potential in, and also the turbocharger, it looks like a stock turbo from the outside, so it's kind of advisable high performance. The sound in these cars when you have the 90mm exhaust system is really insane. It sounds like an old rally car. Video cannot transfer the deep tone sound. It's really a brutal raw sound what this car makes. Makes it really fun to drive them on the street, and also the valve effect when you close the flap. It's like you drive a stock car. Quite, just open the valve and you hear the difference. It makes a lot of fun. So, fourth gear. Then I want to have synchronization. Okay, so let's see 600 horsepower base kit. Steel block generation. really proves the 600 horsepower. And now it's most interesting thing is, how does it perform on the street? And this question is going to be solved in a few minutes as we take this car now to Mexico on the street and see how it performs 100 to 200 kilometers per hour to give a better understanding what does this kit transform into power numbers on the street. So we are going to drive and see you later.